Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you unique option elimination technique which can help you solve reading comprehension question in the CSAT paper. Guys, with every passing year, CSAT paper is becoming very difficult, particularly the quantitative aptitude section. So if you are struggling in the quantitative aptitude section, better you should focus on reading comprehension. Guys, with right strategy and practice, I am a strong believer that you can easily score 20 out of 27 questions in the CSAT paper in the reading comprehension section. Guys, on an average, 27 to 30 questions are coming from the reading comprehension, and if you are able to score 20 questions right in the reading comprehension, no force can stop you from qualifying the CSAT paper because it is just a qualifying paper. You need to score around 27 questions net. Okay, so if you score 20 questions in the reading comprehension, easily you will sail through. Many of my students who have followed my optional event technique for the reading comprehension were able to crack the CSAT very easily. So guys, let us see one question which came in the UPSC Prelims paper, and let us see how we can use elimination technique and solve that reading comprehension question. So guys, this is the question here. Let me show you the question. Let us read the passage, guys. Scientific knowledge has its dangers, but has has every great things. Over and beyond dangers with which it threatens the present, it opens up as nothing else can the vision of a possible happy world. A world without poverty, without war, with little illness, science, whatever unpleasant consequence it may have, by the way, is in its very nature a liberator. So the question is, which one of the following is the most important implication of the passage? So guys, many a times what I have observed that without reading the passage also, if you carefully look at the options and you eliminate extreme words, you eliminate extreme sentences, then you get the answer. Let us see the options, guys. A happy world is a dream of science. Science only can build a happy world, but it also the only major threat. So here you can see only, and only, guys, only is an extreme word which I have been telling. Please take note of only. Wherever the options include only, eliminate that. So we eliminate this. Let us read. A happy world is not possible without science. This is again an extreme word which we can eliminate, not possible. Third, it says a happy world is not at all possible with or without science. So again, you can see this is also an extreme word. So we get an option answer as option A as the answer. Guys, this is how you have to follow the elimination techniques which can easily help you score bonus marks in the UPSC prelims paper. Guys, both in the general studies paper 1 and general studies paper 2, there are these elimination techniques which, if effectively applied, can get you a lot of marks free of cost. Guys, I have made a list of all these extreme words which UPSC has asked in the UPSC previous years, and I have made videos on that. You can see in our Lakshya batch under the reading comprehension section, I have made separate videos for each and every directives. You go through this each and every videos. In each and every video, I have referred 10 to 15 questions. I have discussed how you can use these tricks and get those answers. So guys, if you're really struggling in the CSAT section, please make use of our concept sessions, the quant sessions, the reasoning session, and also the reading comprehension section. It is going to help you a lot. Guys, please do like this video and subscribe my Telegram channel, which is Optimize IAS. You can see here the Telegram channel is Optimize IAS, or you can also search by Ask Santosh Sir. Every day we are solving some PYQs and current affairs questions which can come in the UPSC prelims exam. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.